value of this expression, log of this expression to the base 5, and this expression is log of this thing to the base 5, right? We have to find the value of this log. So first of all, solve this expression, right? It is 5 raised to the power 1 by 2 and it is multiplied by 5. So I get the value of these two terms as 5 raised to the power 3 by 2, and there is square root on this, so power 1 by 2, so it becomes 5 raised to the power 3 by 4. Now this expression is 5 raised to the power 3 by 4. It is multiplied by 5. If it is multiplied by 5, it becomes 5 raised to the power 7 by 4. Now there is a square root, so this becomes 1 by 2 or 5 raised to the power 7 by 8. Now it is again multiplied by 5, right? So it becomes 5 raised to the power 15 by 8, and there is a square root. It becomes 5 raised to the power 15 upon 16, right? So this expression reduces to log of 5 raised to the power 15 upon 16 to the base 5 to the base 5, right? So first of all, we have to solve this expression. Now log of 5 to the raised to the power 15 upon 16 to the base 5, it would become, because base and number are same, so I would get the value of this expression as 15 upon 16. So it will reduce to log of 15 upon 16 to the base 5, right? Using the property of logs, we can write it as log of 15 to the base 5 minus log of 16 to the base 5, right? We can further simplify this expression, this term into, because I know 15 is 3 into 5. So using the properties of log, I can write it as log of 5 to the base 5 plus log of 3 to the base 5 minus log of 16 to the base 5. Or I can write it as this is 1, this is log 3 to the base 5. 16 is 2 raised to the power 4. So I can write it as 4 times log of 2 to the base 5. So correct answer would be option B.